My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
What's a good strategy, when they don't show up?
So there are some things, when they don't show up to the Zoom call, it's typically something that went wrong before that. That is the reason they're not showing up. And so the best way to prevent it from happening in the first place is to have good kind of principles in place to prevent it. And some of those principles are like setting a good expectation on the initial cold call. When you call them up, at the end of every cold call that I make, I want to put them at ease. I don't want them to feel like, hey, this is going to be a sales call tomorrow. It's like, hey, the purpose of the call tomorrow is just to show you guys the new website we built for you and see if it can help you guys out. And if it doesn't, we can part ways. Is that fair? Like, just set kind of good expectations, make them feel like it's very low pressure. We've already done this for you. We want to show it to you. If you guys don't like it or you don't find it's valuable for you, we're not going to try to force it on you. Just make them feel like, it's not going to be a sales call. It's just going to be kind of like, hey, we'll show you what we've got. If not, awesome. That's one thing you can do. The next thing you can do is book them in for a same day appointment, an immediate appointment, or if at worst, the next day. If you're booking people out too far out, the show rates drop significantly. So you need to get them and strike while the iron's hot. If they're on the call with you right then and there and you're cold calling them and they're like, sure, yeah, we'd be interested. Be like, hey, do you guys have a few minutes right now? I can just send you a quick Zoom link and we can jump on right now. I've already got something put together for you, and jump on right away. That, like, you're getting from a cold call to a sales call within the same call pretty much. If they're like, no, we don't have time right now, no worries. I've got a little bit of time later today for like just 15, 20 minutes. Could I schedule you in at 4 p.m. today? And it's the same day. You're going to like talk to them on that cold call. And then a few hours later, you're going to jump on the Zoom call while like it's fresh on their mind. And then if they say no to that, then, hey, I've also got some time tomorrow in the morning. Could we book you in for then? Like, give them options. Don't ask them, when are you available? Because then they might say, oh, next week. And you're pushing it super far out. They're going to forget. They're going to get cold feet and they're going to cancel. It's like you got to get them in within preferably 24-hour periods or less, like right away. So it feels like you're being pushy, but like, just give them options and make it sound like, hey, I've got some time. Like, I'm usually a really busy gal, so I've got some time now. And you're almost making them feel like you're doing a favor for them because you're like squeezing them into the schedule. And so you need to make them kind of feel like your time is really scarce and you are a busy person. And then that works better and it comes off as like better and it doesn't feel like you're pushing them or pressuring them. And then aside from that, I'm sure you've got the normal like reminders and stuff that send out before the calls, like the text and the email automations.
Yeah, well, actually, I took out one of them. The email prior, I did took it out because I think it was too much. So yes, it's a 24 hours and the 1 hour reminder.
That's perfect. One other strategy that somebody told me the other day, and I've heard this strategy by multiple like really, really high tier salespeople, is they will, if they do book somebody out for like, let's say they're like, nah, we can't book tomorrow, but it has to be like a few days later. Call them up the next day and say, hey, this is Lilia again. I just wanted to call you real quick. I had an open spot on my calendar. Somebody like didn't show up. And if I can fit you in right now, I'd love to just chat right now and like call them. You scheduled them for like Thursday, but you're calling them on Tuesday and just saying, hey, like I just wanted to see if you had a quick minute. I had an opening. Like I'd love to fit you in right now and just show you what we put together for you. And sometimes they'll be like, sure, yeah, I've got a minute. And you can get an early appointment before the actual scheduled time that you plugged in. It's always better if you can get them in earlier rather than later because like the further you push out, the more they're going to cancel. So anyway, that's a strategy he's found really good success with. And a lot of people will be like, yeah, sure, we'll jump on now. We've got some time. And that doesn't always work, but if not, it's still good because it was another opportunity to talk to that person, build some more rapport with them, and then they'll be more likely to show up when Thursday does come around. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.